Hello, this is Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we are making our kit for preschool story time, and we are going to need our blue sheet of paper. We're going to need our yellow circle, 2 white circles. Let me find my other one. I just see one in my pile right now. These are all coming from the craft kit for Monday, September 28th through Friday, October 2nd, pardon me. Here we go, here's my other white circle. We're going to need our brown owl shape and 2 brown owl wings and our beak for our owl, and you should have 1 star as well. So our first step is going to be to put our owl together. So we're going to take the owl body and glue it on to the blue paper with some glue stick. So I'm going to take my glue stick and put glue all over the back of the owl, especially around the edges, like this, and then stick him right in the middle between the top and the bottom of the page, but I'm going to put him to one side like this, so it'll look in the ends like he's sitting on a branch. And then I'm going to add his wings. Same way with just a little bit of stick glue. And he'll look like this. Now we're going to add his eyes right below the ears towards the top of the owl shape, like this, and the beak, which is the orange triangle. And we can add the yellow circle for the moon. The moon can come up over the branch where our owl is hanging out. And we can add our star as well. The stars have self-adhesive backing, so you can peel off the paper from the back and stick that up by your moon like this. Now we can take out our colors. And I am going to put some black dots in the middle of the owl's eyes to help him to see in the dark, dark night. There we go. And I'm going to add some feet to my owl, like that. And then I'm going to draw the branch of the tree that he's hanging out on, and maybe some more stars. I'm going to use my brown marker to create the branch. And I'm putting lots of lines on my branch so it looks like the bark of a tree. You can also add extra branches. You can put some branches in front of the moon if you want. And there we go. So that is our craft for today. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you use this to spark your creativity and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.